Morty, give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, alright,
What's up, my Barbies and Kens? It's your girl Canada, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm coming to you guys with a new makeup look. Y'all just seen it in the intro, so I'm just going to show you guys exactly how I got there and what I did to achieve this look. Make sure that you guys go ahead and like this video before we even get into it. Like this video. Make sure that you comment down below, do you like the look? Will you be trying out this look? Make sure that you also subscribe if it's your first time ever coming across my videos or ever seeing this face, because you're going to want to. So make sure you subscribe and also hit that bell so you don't miss out on any videos with your girl in the future. Now let's get to it. Everything used in this video today will be down in the description box below, so if you want to try out anything or check out anything for the first time, if you never heard of it or never seen it or you just never tried it out, it will be down in the description box below. So again, you can check the description box. It'll have all the links to everything that I used today in this video. My apologies if I sound a little weird. I have a small cold that I'm getting over, but anyways, I'm starting off with my brows and I'm just gonna go ahead and fill them in. Now using my concealer to carve the bottom of my brows, and again, everything used in this video today will be in the description box below. I'm also going to bring that concealer all the way down to my lids to be used as a base for my eyeshadow. I then tapped on a lighter shade concealer just to make sure that the colors pop nicely. Today we're using this NK Ocean Eyes eyeshadow palette for the blue portion of this look. I'll be dipping into the powder blue shadow in this palette. Now grabbing my James Charles palette, I'll be tapping into shades Punch Me and T. First, I'm just outlining where I want the color, and then we'll layer it up until it's darker and more pigmented. Using the same Ocean Eyes palette, I added just a little bit of water to the shadow to transform it to a liner. Then I traced the outside of the brown shadow and allow it to dry. Go over it one more time. Now using these half pearls, I'll apply some Duo Lash Glue and stick them on the side of my eye. This look is more so about the eyeshadow portion and not too much about the skin portion, so I'm just gonna let y'all vibe out the rest of the video. But again, everything used to achieve this look in this video today is down in the description box below, so if you're curious about any of the foundation or setting powder, anything, it's in the description box below. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I'm vibing with it. I'm vibing with it, y'all. I'm vibing with it. I put on this little cute little shirt or whatever, but y'all already know I always go color coordinated. The powder blue, gotta do the powder blue, period. But this is the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure that you hit that thumbs up before you dip. Also, comment down below, would you try out this look, or is it not your cup of tea? I mean, your girl is I'm dealing with it, I'm messing with it. I really like it. So make sure you leave that comment down below. And if you are new and it's your first time ever seeing this face, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. And after you subscribe, make sure that you hit that bell so you don't miss out on any videos with your girl in the future. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.